Mkhulise, Mamelodi Sundowns is facing AmaZulu tomorrow. What are your expectations from AmaZulu?
We are expecting a difficult game because they won points also and they are playing at home. So it's a big game engekho lula. Le game less so idlala namaZulu, and they have very good players and they are doing. They've been playing well, but unfortunately sometimes not getting the results. But it's a good team.
And then there's a familiar player, Ojweni AmaZulu. Umbona kanjani, what will he bring?
Bongani is a very good player, and we all know that he's a good player. So he will add value to AmaZulu. So I think kumele sibe aware, sibe ready for noma yini, because asazi noma uzodlala noma ngeke adlale. Kodwa he's a good player, and siyazi ukuthi into angayenza on a day.
And just your message to the nation and the supporters in general in December.
I wish everyone a very good festive season, and I beg everyone to be safe and enjoy responsibly, and please don't drink and drive, and be safe wherever you are going, and enjoy the festive with the loved ones. Yeah. I know most people, they went to Durban for vacation with their family, and most of them are in Durban. So I would like to invite them to the game to come and support us, and we will make sure that we make you happy this festive season. Yeah, so ngiyanicela nithenga amathikithi ngobuningi benu nize nizo support igame, siyanithembisa sonijabulisa.